Hi, welcome to my dynamic Instagram page where financial freedom meets digital entrepreneurship. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of valuable content designed to kickstart your online business journey. Expect to discover enticing freebies that give you a taste of our proven strategies, along with announcements for exclusive events and workshops to supercharge your skills. Be inspired by our Win Showcase featuring real success stories from our community members who've achieved financial breakthroughs. Got questions? Our FAQs highlight will provide quick answers to the most common questions. Also, keep an eye out for my unmissable deals and promos to access our transformative programs and products at the best prices. Plus, dive into my tips and tricks highlight for actionable advice on building your automated online business, mastering social media marketing, and creating passive income streams. Finally, for some fun, check out my quizzes highlight. Follow me to embark on your path to financial freedom and to join a supportive community of aspiring digital entrepreneurs. As a single mom, I've always dreamed of a better life for my children and my future grandchildren. I have always envisioned us traveling together, creating unforgettable memories, and celebrating every birthday and holiday with joy and abundance. But when I turned 50, reality hit hard, and I found myself grappling with financial struggles that seemed insurmountable. It was a painful wake up call to realize that if I continued down this path, my retirement years would be filled with worry and uncertainty. I have never wanted to be a burden to my children or rely on the state for assistance. The thought of my health failing and having no plan in place terrified me. That's when I decided enough was enough. I began searching online for ways to replace my income and build a better future, not just for myself, but for my family. I knew I needed multiple streams of income to secure the retirement I envisioned. While there are countless opportunities out there, many felt disingenuous or left me feeling lost, often pushing me towards expensive upsells without a clear path forward. Then I discovered a blueprint that changed everything. This wasn't just another money making scheme, it was a comprehensive plan that empowered me to start a real business right away. It provided the tools I needed to create multiple income streams and build a legacy for my family. Now I can finally see a future where I can gift my grandchildren those magical trips to Disneyland, Hawaii, and Legoland, where Christmases are filled with laughter and love, and where I break the cycle of financial struggle that has plagued my family for far too long. This journey has been transformative, and I want to share it with you. If you're feeling the weight of financial uncertainty or longing for a life filled with abundance and beautiful memories, I invite you to take action to join me. Together, we can build the future we deserve and create a life where our dreams become our reality. Let's embark on this journey together and make magic happen. Now I know all of that sounds amazing and you're excited. You're ready to start and you want to dive right in and start this business. Whether you want to learn how to sell a done for you digital product or create your own digital products, the first step is right here.